Elon Musk is saying that AI will make our jobs kind of pointless and 11 millions of jobs will be gone in the next couple years. At the same time, Bill Gates is saying that AI could transform education and will replace traditional school teachers. All of that are coming to us as shocking news, right? And our question is right now, how we can use AI for our business, to grow our business, to maybe replace our team members or to expand our team and reduce cost with help of AI. How to do this? Let me show to you in this specific video. Welcome back everybody to our YouTube channel BizDNA Club, where I'm speaking about how you can grow your business with different online tools. Before starting this video, I just wanted to say two things. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel BizDNA Club, and secondly, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter BizDNA, where over 50,000 different professionals join to our community, to our newsletter. So let's get started with this video, and let me show to you how we can use AI for expanding your team and saving $100,000 and even more per year with help of AI. So for starting, I wanted to show you this also article that one company, they run a tech company and they build software in under 7 minutes for less than $1. In the previous video, we already showed it to you how I used AI for creating different online tools and very effectively with a really very low cost. And they are running, as you can see, a company right now where AI is a director, programmer, and so on. So question is coming how we can add more team members to our team with the help of AI. For doing this one, I'm using a service which I also mentioned already a couple times, BizDNA. And this one, as you can see, is showing that we can save up to even $100,000 per year with this service. Here we can save on team members, as you can see, on content creation, on social media management, and customer support. So right now, let me show you how you can save with help of team members. And for doing this one, we will use AI, which will be our virtual assistants, virtual like legal advisors, and even coders. Can we do this one? I believe that yes, we are. Maybe not fully, we are still on the early stage, but still you can get a lot of benefits from them. So for doing this one, I'm like going to the panel and I'm going to the AI agents, and as you can see here, you can sort them by different type of workers, right? For example, marketing, sales, content creation, management, legal and finance, development, and coding. For example, David Wilson is social media specialist. This one, lead generation one, product manager, brand strategist, Swift programmer, ad copywriter. For demo purposes of this video, let me show to you, for example, like this one, social media specialist, David. And simply we are starting taking with him conversation like with real virtual assistant or outsourced freelancer. And I'm simply saying that, hey, can't you help me with creating social marketing for our company, BizDNA, let's say, and make 3 Facebook posts about our company. Please understand that more information you will provide to a virtual assistant, like here, you will get more detailed replies and more help from them. So you, like with traditional outsourced freelancer, you need to provide as much as possible information about your company, about your service, what you're doing. Here I'm only doing this one for demo purposes, and just wanted to show you the results what we have from them. So it is generating right now, and as you can see here, we got beautiful, as you can see, post about company already with emojis, with hashtags, and so on. So, and this is only social media specialist. Here we have in this service over 30 different virtual assistants, which basically can do different type of works inside of your team. What cool is also is here you can get legal advisor, accounting, and development is really insane one. For example, here you can hire, for example, Java programmer, Python programmer, Ruby, PHP programmer, and imagine how much you can save with this service. Let's say that one programmer is costing you approximately minimum, I will say 2K per month. So this is one only 24,000. And as I say here, we have over 30 different agents. So close to 600K per year you can save with this service. And again, you can reduce a lot of your cost with those virtual assistants. Similar like here, which in this article the company started to build their virtual team with help of AI. And so yeah, so this is our future in my opinion. Yes, this is only the beginning and early stages, but imagine what will be with, for example, with ChatGPT, the next version 5.0, like okay, in the future, or 6.0 in the future. That will be mind-blowing, and that is why I agree that in the future, as Elon Musk said, that AI will make jobs kind of pointless. We are very close to that. Let me know what you think about that below these comments below this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our BizDNA newsletter, where we are sharing cool tips and recommendations how to grow your business. Meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.